Hey everyone, are you struggling to streamline your sales process in this ever-changing business landscape? Look no further than Codinix Technologies Incorporated, your one-stop shop for all things Salesforce CPQ. What's Salesforce CPQ? Imagine a system that lets you configure, price, and quote products instantly. That's the magic of Salesforce CPQ, and Codinix is the expert in unlocking its full potential for your business. We don't just implement, we adapt. Your needs evolve, and so should your CPQ solution. Codinix tailors each implementation to your unique workflow, ensuring scalability and adaptability for long-term success. Here's what we offer. Seamless implementation. We'll get your CPQ up and running smoothly, maximizing its power through configuration, price, and quote automation. Expert customization. Our industry-savvy team tailors CPQ to your specific sales process, boosting productivity and customer satisfaction. Ongoing support. We don't abandon you after deployment. Codinix provides ongoing support and maintenance to keep your CPQ secure, updated, and optimized. Ready to transform your sales game? Head over to Codinix Technologies and let's unlock the power of Salesforce CPQ together.